Hello everyone, welcome to Four Stack Development. This is Manjunath. Today we are going to discuss about integer palindrome. So suppose if you are given with a number, that's an integer. So how will you find out it's the given number is a palindrome or not? Okay. Suppose if I consider 1 to 1. So if I reverse this number actually, that is reversing the digits. So 1 to 1. So both the reversed number and the original number are equal. So then we can consider it as palindrome. So if I consider 452 and if I reverse this one, you will get 254. Reversed number and the original number are not equal. So then we can say 452 is not a palindrome. So what are the steps actually? So when we are doing actually, so we will do an repetitive process. So it will be considered containing the below 3 steps actually. The first step, divide the number, the given number by 10 and get remainder of the number. Suppose consider it is a remainder. The second step is divide the number by 10 and get quotient of the number. Quotient. Okay. So suppose in the beginning, if I consider the reversed number is 0. So the third step is do the calculation like reversed number equal to reversed number into 10 plus add it to remainder. Whatever the second step, divide the number by 10 and get the quotient. This quotient will be assigned to the original number. So this quotient will be, I will be assigning it to original number. Okay. So if I go through this actually, let me go through the original number is consider 121 and the reversed number I will consider initially 0. So what is the first step? So first step is divide the number by 10 and get the remainder. So if I divide 121 by 10, we'll get remainder as 1. Okay. The second step, divide the number by 10 and get the quotient. So if I divide the 121 by 10, so we will get quotient as 12. Sorry, quotient as 12. I will assign this equal to original number. That third step, reverse number into 10 plus remainder. Reverse number is now 1, 0. Sorry, 0 into 10, 0 plus remainder is 1. So that's reversed number is now 1. Okay. This is the first iteration. But so till where we need to do this process. So whatever the original number that we have given, till it come to 0 actually. Okay. In the second iteration, now the original num has become now 12. Okay. And the reversed num is now 1. Okay. So the first step. So divide the number by 10 and get the remainder. So remainder. If I divide 12 by 10, we will get 2 remainder. Divide that number by 10 and get the quotient. That quotient is 1. So that is, I will assign it to original number. What is the reversed number? So reversed number is already 1. So reversed number into 10 plus remainder. So 1 into 10 plus 2. This is 12. Okay. So this is the second iteration. The third iteration, so original num is now 1 and reversed num is 12. Okay. the first step, divide the original num by 10 and get the remainder. So if I divide the 1 by 10, the remainder is 1. The remainder is 1. So if I divide the number by 10 and if I get the quotient is 0. Okay, and I will assign it to original number. The third one, reversed number into 10 plus remainder. That's the reversed num equal to, what is the reversed num? 12 into 10 plus 1. The remainder is 1. So we will get what? So 121 we will get the answer. So this is the third iteration. Now the original num is 0 and the reversed num is 121. So here actually we got the original num as 0. So it's not greater than 0. That means here actually the loop condition will end. So this is how we will get. So we will started with the original number as 121 and we got reverse number as 121. So if reversed num is equal to the whatever the starting original number, so then we can consider the integer as a palindrome. So let me go and code for the same. So I have already created integer palindrome. Let me create a class public static boolean is number palindrome. Okay, I will accept int num. Okay, so as I now I will return false actually, satisfy the compiler. So first actually I will assign this num to original num actually. Original num to num. Okay, and I need int reversed num. Reversed num equal to 0. Okay, as long as the original num is greater than 0, what I will do, so I will go and create one integer reminder, and the reminder is original num modulus 10. That's a reminder we need to get, and original num equal to original num by 10. That is, I will divide that original number and I will assign that quotient to the original num. So what I will do, the reversed num equal to reversed num into 10 plus reminder. So if you do go on doing this loop, actually we will get back until sometime we will satisfy this condition. That's the original num is less than 0 or equal to 0, then it will comes out of the loop. So at that time what I will do, so I will check num equal to reversed num. So if it is equal to reversed num, then we will get true, that is a palindrome. Otherwise we will get as not a palindrome, false. Okay, let me go and execute the same. So is num palindrome of 121. I provide manage Java application. Yeah, so 121 is a palindrome, so we are getting true as the answer. If I provide 452, false we are getting. What happens actually if we provide a negative number? So we'll get each time false actually. So we need to handle that condition. So that's why I will go and I will say if num is less than 0, then I will throw an runtime exception saying number is negative, please pass positive number. Okay, Yeah, if I run this one, we should get runtime exception. Yeah, we are getting. So this is how we do. We'll find out the integer palindrome. Let me go and create the test case for the same. While test is num palindrome underscore 121 assertions dot assert equals expected is true, and we will come integer palindrome dot is num palindrome of 121. Okay. Yeah, if I go and run this, we will get true as a value, and that is the expected. That's why the test case will pass. I go and run for the other one, 452. So we will get false actually. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So and I will have a test case for negative number also. No, because sorry, this will not work. I need to version assert rows runtime exception, and the executable is integer palindrome dot is palindrome of minus 342. If I run this, yeah, it's passing because if you pass negative number, we will handling that case by throwing a runtime exception. So that will throw, and so the assertion also accepting for that runtime exception. So that's why we'll get test case as positive test case. So yeah, we're getting all the test cases are passing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share with your friends.